5 advantages of Euro-type single girder crane. 1. Lightweight design. From the main girder and end girder to the hoist, a more reasonable structure is adopted. Low wheel pressure with a wide range of adaptability, reducing the cost of factory construction. 2. Small footprint. Effectively utilizing factory space. High clearance with minimal hook size, expanding the working space of existing factories, enabling more compact design for new factories with more complete functions. 3. High safety. The entire crane is equipped with multiple protection measures such as overcurrent protection, overload protection, and distance protection, ensuring safe operation of the crane. 4. High efficiency. Using frequency conversion technology, smooth lifting and running, greatly reducing the sway of lifted objects. More precise positioning. 5. Low operation and maintenance costs. The whole vehicle adopts a green, maintenance-free design concept. Low overall power consumption. Reliable quality with low failure rate.